Hi guys, it's Wes from Trendy Startups. Today I'm gonna show you how to see devices connected to your Google account. So let's get started. So Google give us access to check the devices connected to your Google account and you can easily sign out from that devices. I'm going to show you the very easy process to see devices connected to your Google account. So to see devices, you have to simply open your Google Chrome. Now here you can see the option of Google account. Click on Google account. Now in this option you can see manage your Google account. Click on it. Now here you have to click on security. Scroll down and here you can see the option of manage all devices. So click on it. So you can see your devices. There is only Windows connected to my Google account. So try one more demo account. So again click on Google account. Click on manage your Google account. Now click on security. Scroll down and here you can see manage all devices. Click on it. So in this account, two devices connected to my Google account. So one is Windows computer and the other one is Android device Galaxy S5 mini. So to sign out Galaxy S5 mini, simply click here and here you can see the option of sign out. Click on sign out. Again click on sign out. There you can see successfully sign out. There you can see we have see the devices connected to our Google account. So you can also see the devices connected to your Google account by following this process. I hope this information was helpful for you. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.